Robin Cooper here. And today, we're going to talk about little tiny balloons and on the little movie magic thing that I'm using to put the effects into each of these videos, since I decided that would be kind of fun. Of course, I don't use them every time. So today, little tiny balloons is the name of the song, and I was thinking of those little balloons that you'll see here in a minute. I'll put them on, and I thought, maybe I'll just write a song that just correlates with these little balloon things because they're fun, and so I decided to do that. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. And we've got Polly today, and she's going to be singing. And, of course, I'm the one singing, but, I always announce it that way. Give them a little bit of life, just for fun. So, anyway, I want to invite you to the channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. Please subscribe if you like my stuff. Please share with a friend. And, as always, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for your time and your views, your enthusiasm, your support. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy it today. Little tiny balloons. A blanket of blue drapes over the sky. Red violet, orange, and blue come into sight. What do I see? Tiny balloons floating high above me. They float up as I watch with a